Hello everyone, welcome to another exciting episode of BCG Health. Losing weight can be challenging during pandemic crisis as most of us cannot manage to stay active. In the US only, we have about 70 million obese individuals and more than that are considered moderately overweight. But don't worry, you can achieve your weight loss results by following our 7-day dietary guidelines. So stay tuned to this video and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Firstly, we'll discuss some superfoods that can help you in losing weight, and then we'll discuss our weight loss plan. You can include these foods along with your diet plan to make this diet plan more effective. Number 1. Add pineapple in your daily food. Our number 1 fruit is pineapple, a juicy and pulpy fruit that helps you significantly in losing weight. It contains 85% water and is loaded with multivitamins like manganese, thiamine, and certain disease-fighting antioxidants like riboflavin. Pineapple also contains bromelain, an enzyme that helps in boosting protein and fat metabolism, and ultimately it helps in weight loss. According to dietitians, pineapple can also reduce your cravings for desserts and hence curbs your appetite. Pineapple also contains more than 100% vitamin C, which helps us lose weight quickly. Number 2. Lemon. Our second food is lemon, which is loaded with water-soluble dietary fiber, vitamin C, and carbs. In a half cup of peeled lemons, there are 2.8 grams of fiber, 7 to 9 grams of carbohydrates, 80 to 89% of water. Lemon also has several important acids like citric acid and super antioxidants, hesperidine and D-limonene. Together, all these nutrients help to lose fats and control our weight. However, acidity within lemon can cause irritation or allergic reactions in some people and can create a sore throat. Lemon juice with honey. Lemon alone might cause irritation for some people, so mixing lemon with honey can give optimum results. Lemon and honey combination is very effective for detoxification and weight loss. Both these ingredients help in weight loss by improving gut health and boosting metabolism. Number 3. Ginger. Ginger is a root that has been used since centuries primarily for anti-inflammation purposes and healing, but recent studies show that ginger is great for digestion and gut health. This was confirmed by a research done on 80 obese women in 2016. Research showed that ginger helps in burning fat and boosting metabolism. As of nutritional value of ginger, it provides several important minerals like zinc, calcium, iron, phosphorus, vitamin C, and several other important nutrients that are beneficial for weight loss. Ginger also contains anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer compounds called showgales and gingerols that play a vital role in weight loss as well. Ginger is more effective when used with apple cider vinegar and honey. Number 4. Mint. Mint has a bunch of minerals that boost your metabolism and fasten your digestion. As several chronic diseases like cancer, diabetes, and heartburn are greatly linked to weak and impaired digestive system, mint can save you from many chronic inflammatory diseases as well. Mint, when included along with fatty food, helps our gallbladder to release an extra amount of bile, which helps in breaking down fats. It also stimulates other digestive enzymes and increases nutrients absorption from the food we eat. Hence, it boosts metabolism and helps us burn fats faster. So guys, now let's look at our 7-day weight loss guidelines that you need to follow. But before we get into that, you need to know that human body doesn't allow itself to lose more than 1 to 2% of its total body weight in a period of 7 days. So keep your expectations low if you want real weight loss. Otherwise, when you do extreme weight loss in a short period of time, it will come back when you start eating normally. Now let's look at the plan. This diet plan will not only help you lose some 4 to 8 pounds, but will also put you on a weight loss journey and prepare you for further weight loss. Day 1. Our first goal at day 1 should be to choose food that are containing fewer calories but more volume. This is to suppress our appetite and also increase our satiety. At day 1, we'll replace one of our major meal with low-calorie fruits. We can take 100 grams of banana that has almost 110 calories and many important minerals. Melons are also a good choice as they are 90 to 95% water and they also have a good amount of pulp in them. We also discussed how pineapples are great for weight loss. Now to fulfill our fat requirements, we can add some cream but not more than 1 to 2 tablespoons. Make sure you're not taking more than 3 to 5 tablespoons of total fat in your overall food. You can also add strawberries and honey in your fruit mixture. Now this should be your major or most favorite meal. You might feel hungry after eating this as it's low in calories but contains fruits that boost your metabolism. Day 2. In day 2, we'll focus on eating low-calorie vegetables with high satiety value. You can eat raw or cooked vegetables. Here is an example of some vegetable choices that you can include in your day 2. 1 to 2 cups of cucumber, 2 cups of tomatoes as salad, 2 tablespoons of grinded peppermint, 1 tablespoon of lemon. You can mix all these vegetables with cream-free yogurt to make it a proper meal. This is also consumed in many Asian countries. This combination is low in calories but loaded with bunch of antioxidants and nutrients. Like pineapple and lemon, cucumber is also loaded with antioxidants and multivitamins. Only 1 cup of cucumber provides 14 to 19% of the vitamin K you need for the day. This recipe is also rich in vitamin B and C along with minerals like copper, phosphorus, potassium and magnesium. On day 2 of this diet plan, you need to avoid any fruits that you've been eating at day 1. Day 3. On day 3, you can eat both fruits and vegetables. For example, boil a cup of leafy green vegetables until no water is left. After cooling the vegetables, add half lemon and tomato with green chili. Sprinkle some green coriander and slices of ginger. You can eat fruits like an orange or a cup of strawberries along with the vegetables. But don't eat bananas or sweet potatoes at your day 3. This combination of fruits and vegetables will give your body a wholesome combination of both carbs and proteins. But don't forget to drink 8 to 12 glasses of water every day to flush out toxins out of your body and boost up your metabolism. Day 4. Since the day 4 of this weight loss plan, you have already lost a lot of calories. You can afford a bit more calories than day 1 to bring a change in your taste. On day 4, you can eat bananas alone or combined with milk as milkshake. According to GM diet plan, you can have 8 bananas split into 3 meals like breakfast, dinner and lunch. Bananas are rich in pectin, which aids in digestion, while milk is a rich source of calcium and vitamin D that is needed by our bones. However, you need to avoid all fruits on day 4 except bananas. Day 5. Day 5 is refreshing and different than other days of the week. If you are a vegetarian, you can eat vegetables with your favorite rice. If you are non-vegetarian, you can eat lean meat, beef or fish along with raw tomato. You'll need 3 large-sized tomatoes to break your fast and then have 1 tomato along with your lunch or dinner. Fish is a rich source of healthy fats as well as essential proteins, while fiber in tomatoes keep your tummy full due to their fiber content. Day 6. So day 6 is a time when you'll start noticing your weight has reduced significantly. You'll be motivated to follow your last 2 days if you look at your measurements. At day 6, you also need to avoid fruits. You'll be eating a mix of vegetables with a protein source, but completely avoid sweet potatoes and bananas. For example, make small slice of carrot, tomatoes, and green chili. Now add ginger and mint paste with half spoon of salt. Take 1 cup of green peas, half onion, green onion. Now mix well and boil all these vegetables, and after boiling, keep them in a separate bowl. Now boil 1 cup of brown rice and wait until they're cooked properly. Mix vegetables with boiled rice. Mix well and keep at medium flame. Enjoy your meal and also drink 6 to 8 glasses of water per day to flush out waste and chemicals in your body. Day 7. This is an exciting day as you're going to complete your weight loss journey. This day, you can eat both fruits and vegetables with either rice or lean meat. You can make your favorite recipe and all kinds of fruit juices are allowed. More specific about this day is eating rice at lunch and breakfast, but try avoiding rice at dinner since you'll need a transition to start your normal diet routine from next day. Keep your dinner light and include some fruits as well. Advantages of GM Diet Plan. As we've discussed, GM Diet Plan encourages us to eat large proportions of fruits and vegetables that promote weight loss. It also allows you to have all food groups in different days and large quantity of water that is taken during this diet plan. Makes us more conscious about our water intake. It helps you lose weight quickly. Disadvantages of GM Diet Plan. Since GM Diet Plan is only for 7 days, there are no possible side effects of this plan. However, if you follow this diet plan for more than 7 to 10 days, your body can be deprived of vital nutrients as well as energy. Moreover, if you don't stick to low-calorie foods afterward, you can gain weight again. So you need to pair some indoor exercises with this diet plan to get a permanent weight loss. Avoid sugary foods and drinks to keep your body in a proportion and include fruits and vegetables in your diet routine. How much weight you can lose using this diet plan? Well, losing weight totally depends on your body weight, physical activity, and your calorie deficit. If you're moderately obese or just a little above your ideal body weight, you might see slow results. But if you have 20% more weight than your ideal body weight, you can see a significant weight loss after following this diet plan. That's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing content.